Kashlem ajing hikai gibriu ki Duna Khubor Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Person with Disabilities Divyanjan CRCSRE Shillong Meghalaya ringkat kajing lang ka Office of Deputy Commissioner Riboy District but ka Office District Social Welfare ha ka shitarik nailar ki Pynlong ya ka Purple Fair for Divyanjan ha ka Sen ka Beningkong ha Meghalaya ya ka Pynlong ha Parish Hall Nongpoh. Kini ka Purple Fair for the Vyanjan kalong ka rinsan na kabenta ki briw ki bidon jing Duna ka bormet ban pen i ki sap ki phong ha ka shat ka kemen ka rwai ka siaw ka put ka tem ki drama ki jingle ki jingkren biria ban pen bernya ki no ngap bat ha ki har pa ki har ki but ten rai ba ki don. Kini ka rinsan ka kentiu bat plilat ru ikini ki briw ha ka shat ka tiu ka suk ka than ban kamai jakpo elatihi. Wabilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ulalong ukongsan, bat laydon lang ka kong Birani EDC, kong NF Sun DSWO Nongpoh, Ram Shaka Sahani Director CRCSRE Shillong, kong Priska Pingrop kum ka Ambassador Purple Fair, bat sanspa arpun riungut ki balawan ban Shimenta na Kaling Riboy District, kentup arspa saw punyo ki Duna ki Bormet, bat kinong tri na katanat ka kwat ka kiat. Saungut ki MLA na Themri Boy ki lay lamyu sindrop menteri rang ba Khuborjylla ba Prestun Tensong syakani ka Purple Fair for the Vyanjan ban UI de laki jongki kamat.
All of you. To such a program is always for me personally, it's a very humbling affair. Often, whenever we face any problem, even if it's a problem which can be easily solved, it worries us, it makes us anxious. But only when we come to events like these and we realize the blessings that we have had, and that how unreasonable our habit is to cry over things which do not really matter in the larger scheme of things. I visited around an hour back with Honorable Deputy CM and all the MLAs of Ribhoi. The purpose of bringing all of them here was not just to be able to marshal support for all the cause, for all the for the development of the people with disabilities, for the Divyanjan, but also to show them that despite the challenging difficulties, people who have been unfairly dealt by the Almighty, they have not really surrendered their will to the God. Rather, they have taken the destiny in their own hands and they are ensuring that instead of being a liability, they are rather the one who are earning livelihood for their family and they are carrying the burden of the so-called able-bodied ones as well. So first of all, many congratulations to all of you for the fact that you have not lost hope, that you're not cribbing like the so-called able-bodied ones. Rather, within the very challenging circumstances that you find yourself in, you have been able to find your way to not just sustain yourself, but rather to also sustain your family. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the ambassador for Purple Fest, Srimati Priska Pingrop, who is one of the world champion when it comes to arm wrestling, and a shining example of what will and determination can do for any human being. I remember when I was in Labasna is Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. I'm sorry that many of you can't understand me because I can't speak Khasi, and that is probably a linguistic disability that I am suffering from. So, nevertheless, to whomever I can reach, Labasna is an institute where IS officers get trained. And there we had a very poignant presentation by somebody who was suffering from disability, and wherein they showed that how somebody who can speak, let's say if he gets into a circle of people who can't speak and hear themselves but are rather communicating in a sign language, how disoriented the person can feel, how disabled the person can feel. Simultaneously, in the same presentation, we were also shown that how it's not the disability per se which is challenging, is the way this entire society is organized which makes that disability really count and debilitating.
Yeah.
Shillong is also going to make a disability sports.
Then when you affiliate with them, yes, with other state paralympic.
For theaters, we had also got the library. Is